Hey guys, a quick shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Really appreciate your contributions and show of support. For those who wish to consider supporting my work, links in the description below. Now on with the video. Hey guys, the OrientTravellerZ here. Today we'll be trying out Singapore Airlines regional wide-body business class seat, found on some of their Airbus A350s and all of their Boeing 787 aircraft. Singapore Airlines flights to Southeast Asian destinations depart from Changi Airport Terminal 2. If you're intending to visit the Terminal 3 SilverKris lounge, you can check in and clear immigration at Terminal 3. However, you will likely not be able to use the automated gates. After clearing immigration, turn left and look out for the giant batik print SilverKris billboard, which will be on your right. Singapore Airlines business class passengers are invited to use any of the SilverKris business class or KrisFlyer Gold lounges at Changi Airport, which you can find out more about in my previous videos dedicated to those lounges. Links in the video description below. Spare some time before your flight to check out the relatively new and beautifully renovated Bacha Coffee Boutique. Then head to Terminal 2, which is just a short train ride away. Our flight today is operated by an Airbus A350. Singapore Airlines is the largest operator of this aircraft type at the time of recording, with 69 examples of this workhorse aircraft in service, and more on the way. The aircraft we are flying on today is configured for regional routes, and has Singapore Airlines regional business class product, first unveiled on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner back in 2018. Business class passengers are invited to board from the front door. There are 40 regional business class seats on Singapore Airlines A350, laid out in a 1-to-1 configuration, meaning all seats get direct aisle access, a must for any modern business class seat. These seats measure 20 inches in width or 26 inches with both armrests lowered, 44 inches of pitch or distance between headrests, and reclines into a 76-inch fully flat bed. Interestingly, these seats form a straight bed, which differs from the angled beds you typically find on Singapore Airlines long-haul business class products. However, not all seats are created equal. Seats alternate between being next to the aisle or window. For the convenience of having a more secure area to stow your bag, you lose some sense of privacy being seated next to the aisle. Also, the window is further away from you. Singapore Airlines has restored hard copy menus in first and business class. On short flights, these take the form of a single-sided paper card on marginally heavier card stock. Pre-departure drink service has also been restored. Let's go over some of the features of the seat. Starting from the front, there is a coat hook, below which you will find a literature pocket. Your side console features a high table surface with a recessed cup holder, headphone holder, a storage compartment that conceals an NFC reader for in-flight purchases, a pair of USB charging ports, and a universal power outlet. This is also where your headphones are stowed. Lastly, there is a slide-out vanity mirror. Despite being a short 2-hour flight, amenity kits were provided and contain lip balm, hand lotion, and a facial mist. Below the console surface are a row of touch-sensitive seat and lighting controls. The ambient and reading lights can be controlled from here. There are no individual overhead air vents. Next to your head are 3 more LED reading lights, angled at various positions. Below the control strip is the in-flight entertainment remote, which differs considerably from those found on other Singapore Airlines seats, as it does not have any physical buttons. Which cues us into the 18-inch high-definition touchscreen display, featuring a wide selection of movies and TV shows on Kris World, Singapore Airlines in-flight entertainment program. The screen can be tilted down for better viewing angles in bed mode. The headphones come in a soft plastic case with disposable ear cup covers. While the footwell is rather narrow, it does have a good amount of height, so you won't find your feet kicking the ceiling. To convert the seat to bed mode, simply hold down the recline button until the seat fully reclines flat. The armrest can be collapsed down to create a larger bed surface. Concealed beneath the screen is the tray table, which unfolds, doubling in size and creating a sturdy surface for laptops. The flight to Ho Chi Minh City is only 2 hours, so the crew were quick to serve the meals. Everything came on a single tray, which is the norm for short flights on Singapore Airlines. I had the beef rendang with sambal prawns, omelette, and spiced fish cake, or ota, served with coconut rice. The beef was moist and tender, and the rice fragrant. As we were served breakfast, the typical appetizer and dessert were replaced by sliced fruit and a cup of off-the-shelf yogurt, which did not feel as premium. Just 15 minutes after breakfast was over, the captain came on the PA to announce we had begun our descent. The lavatory is located between the business class cabins and feels larger than the ones on the 737 MAX. But not too dissimilar from economy class, just with better amenities, such as contactless wash basins and waste disposal doors. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of Singapore Airlines Regional Business Class on board their A350. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.